In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off real-time protection in Windows 11. If you need to temporarily disable real-time protection on your Windows 11 computer, I'll walk you through the process clearly and quickly. Just keep in mind that this setting helps protect your device from threats in real time, so it's usually best to turn it back on once you're done with whatever task requires it. To begin, open the Start menu on your computer. In the search bar, type Windows Security, then click on the Windows Security app when it appears in the results. This will open the main security dashboard where Windows manages built-in protection settings. Once you're inside the app, look for the option called Virus and Threat Protection and click on it. This section includes the core antivirus settings for your system, including the real-time protection feature. Next, scroll until you see Virus and Threat Protection settings. Under that section, click Manage Settings. This will take you to a page where you can adjust how Microsoft Defender operates on your device. Now find the real-time protection toggle. Click the switch to turn it off. Windows may display a confirmation pop-up asking if you want to allow this change. When that box appears, click Yes to confirm your choice. After that, real-time protection will be turned off. If Windows changes it back on automatically later, that's normal behavior in some cases, especially after a restart. And that's all it takes to disable real-time protection in Windows 11.